Hey Sumolings, it's Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. And today we're taking a look at ContextMinds, a smarter way to brainstorm, research, and write content powered by AI and real-time SEO data. Stop me if this sounds familiar. You start writing, fall into a research rabbit hole, dump random notes into a Google Doc, and juggle a million open tabs. It's exhausting, but there's a better, smarter way to write. With ContextMinds, you'll get a simple visual workspace, kind of like a whiteboard, where you can organize ideas, research topics, and generate content without the chaos. Upgrade to Tier 3 and you'll get 7 workspaces where you can create unlimited whiteboards, perfect for freelancers and agencies collaborating with multiple teams and clients. No more starting from scratch. Just type in a topic and ContextMinds will suggest related ideas, keywords, and research to help you get going. You can generate a content plan, keyword research, a website outline, and so much more. It'll even pull in SEO keyword data with search volumes and difficulty scores, relevant topics, article headlines that are currently ranking, and popular search questions, so you know exactly what your audience is looking for. Plus, AI suggestions help you fill in the gaps with fresh ideas. And for all you future Tier 3 users, you'll be able to pull in 6,000 keywords and 30,000 web results every month. Found something useful? Just drag it onto your board. Want to add your own notes? Easy. And the best part, the more you add, the smarter your suggestions get. You can turn all these ideas into content in only one click. Just select your topics and let ContextMinds generate a structured outline, or even a first draft tailored to your style, audience, and length preferences. It even integrates with your research and keywords like a pro. When you're done, copy everything into your editor and add the final touches. No more losing notes, switching tabs, or writer's block. Go from blank page to solid draft faster than ever. If you're ready to simplify content creation, click Buy Now to lock in lifetime access to ContextMinds today.